up YouTube? Liquid here. Just wanted to show you guys something weird that happened to me when I was playing. I don't know how it happened, but if you guys figured out, look at this. If you guys figure out how to do this, please tell me, because I have no idea how the hell. Look at this shit, man. I'm calling in 50 UAVs at once. I don't know how this happened. I can't pull out my gun, I can't switch. Can't put it away, so I just have somebody kill me. Look how long it takes this guy to kill me. It's so stupid. Look at this. I'm trying to show him right here, finally. Anyways, if you guys know what happened, just tell me. I don't have no idea what has happened. If you guys can, watch our video, subscribe, favorite, you know, whatever. It really help us out a lot. We need a lot of views right now. We're in need. We're in need of a PVR, so if you guys can, just help us out by viewing our videos. Once again, thanks a lot for watching videos and stuff. This has been Vic Later.